Kamal Farooqi remains defiant despite being sacked by the SP as its national secretary. He now says that he still stands by his comments made after terrorist Yasin Bhatkal's arrest. It now seems that Farooqi hasn't got the message that attempts to communalize a terrorist arrest, which will not be tolerated.
Samajwadi Party cracking the whip, sacking Kamal Farooqi from the post of party secretary for his remarks on IM chief Yasin Bhatkal's arrest.
कि एक राष्ट्रीय सचिव किस तरीके से बयान दे रहा है, तो निश्चित रूप से समाजवादी पार्टी हो या कोई भी पार्टी हो, उसके विचारधारा के विपरीत यदि आप कोई बयान देते हैं तो निश्चित रूप से कार्रवाई की जाएगी और इसीलिए कमाल फारूकी के खिलाफ कार्रवाई की गई है.
I think the fact that our intelligence agencies would pick up a terrorist who's been known to be one for the last 15-20 years, probably on the top 10 list world over, to just say that he's been so because he belongs to a particular religion, A, is an affront to the religion, and B, is kind of politics of the cheapest kind. And I think it's good that the Samajwadi Party has taken this action against the gentleman.
But a completely defiant Kamal Farooqi remains unfazed.
I stand by each and every word of my statement.
But sir, if further Samajwadi Party has expressed their displeasure already, what about that? Have you had any communication with the Netaji?
I have already told you nobody has talked to me. Nobody has talked to me. Nobody has asked for any explanation.
इस वजह से कि वो मुसलमान हैं.
He chose to communalize a mass murderer's arrest with this comment.
पूरी कम्युनिटी को बदनाम करने का काम करें. और वो सिर्फ इस वजह से कि वो मुसलमान हैं, इस वजह से गिरफ्तार किया जा रहा है, तो इसलिए भी उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि भाई हमको किसी भी कम्युनिटी को मैसेज नहीं देना चाहिए कि हम बगैर किसी इन्वेस्टिगेशन के पूरी कम्युनिटी को बदनाम करने का काम करें.
Mr. Farooqi, nobody is arrested because he's a Muslim, and by saying so.
And Times Now was the first to confront him with the tough questions.
From German Bakery to Jangli Maharaj Road to Chinnaswamy Stadium, and you don't expect to be questioned. Why should you not be questioned?
It is the media who creates all those kind of things.
You say it and you blame the media now, Mr. Farooqi.
I will explain.
But a completely defiant Kamal Farooqi refused to apologize.
You're sounding like an advocate for Yasin Bhattal. Aren't you going to take back your comments? Do you regret your comments, Mr. Farooqi? Do you regret your comments?
No, I don't regret whatever I have said. No.
I must say one thing to you.
Faced with direct questions, the SP leader also repeatedly threatened to walk out of the debate.
Are you taking me out of the frame or should I get out?
No, I'll give you one question and then you can leave. Don't run away. One question, please. I must say one thing to you.
He dodged all tough questions, but now Kamal Farooqi paying the price for his loose comments on Bhatkal's arrest. Should politicians now be sacked for making pro-terrorist comments?
One question and then you can leave. Don't run away. One.
Bureau Report, Times Now.